In this video, I'm going to talk about a productivity tip that Roblox devs can use when beginning Roblox development. It has to do with timing your sessions, why it matters. When you begin working or scripting or anything, you start the timer and it will help you to better predict how long it takes to do something. For example, you say, I will take 25 minutes to do this task. Then you begin the timer. The moment you get distracted in any way, you pick up your phone, you get a phone call, your mom calls you, pause the timer. This allows you to see the time on task is much lower than you think it is, or higher. People usually spend a lot of time in front of the computer or studying, telling themselves they are working, but spend very few minutes actually on task. So this will help you practice and become more on task, therefore able to predict how long it takes to do something. It will also help you realize that things are significantly easier than you may think, but you just have to do the work. On my screen here you can see there's an app called Clockify. I highly recommend it. It allows you to name and start a task very quickly with the ability to stop and start as you please. This is extremely helpful when you get distracted. In my opinion, this app is superior than a basic timer app as you can name the sessions. Also, the week total adds up for a clear idea of total time on task for the week. Try it out, you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching. If you have any feedback, questions, or anything, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear some people's opinions on this. Thanks.